So in today's video, I'm going to compare the iPhone X internal microphone to the Rode VideoMic Me with the newly released Lightning plug. So it'll work with your iPhone 7 or later that does not have a headphone jack. So let's take a look at the audio quality and you can decide for yourself, and I'll give my conclusion at the end of the video. So this is the internal microphone of my iPhone X, and there are cars going by, the leaves are blowing, and I'm going to compare the internal microphone outside here to the Rode VideoMic Me with the Lightning port connector. So again, a lot of cars going by. I'm 3 feet away from my iPhone X testing out the audio. So now I'm going to plug in and test out the VideoMic Me with the Lightning port adapter. Again, this is the audio for my iPhone X internal microphone. So now I have the Rode VideoMic plugged in. I am outside using the Rode VideoMic Me audio, testing it and see how it sounds. I have the dead cat, which is supposed to help with wind, and wind noise is on it. It's plugged into my Lightning port of my iPhone, and I'm testing out the audio at 3 feet away. This is the audio from my iPhone X internal microphone at 10 feet away. And again, there are cars driving behind me and to the left of the camera. Again, this is the test of the microphone, my internal microphone of the iPhone X with cars driving by at 10 feet. This is my Rode VideoMic Me at 10 feet plugged in. There's an airplane flying over right now, currently no wind, testing the audio of the Rode VideoMic Me from 10 feet away. This is my iPhone microphone test with no cars going by right now. Outside, I'm at 20 feet using the internal microphone of my iPhone X. This is the audio test of the internal microphone of my iPhone X. So now I'm 20 feet away using the audio from my Rode VideoMic Me. There's currently a car going by off to the right. So the audio using my Rode VideoMic Me with a car currently going by. I'm outside and 20 feet away. So testing the audio 20 feet away. Okay, so I've had a chance to listen to the audio from the internal microphone of the iPhone X, which surprisingly sounds pretty good. The problem with it though is you get a lot of that ambient noise, and you don't necessarily have the range that you have with the Rode VideoMic Me with a Lightning port. So that is one thing I've noticed. If you really want to take your audio level of your videos up a notch, whether it's family videos or something else, then the Rode VideoMic Me seems like a good investment. So I'll place a link to where you can purchase it below in the description. If you like this video, please hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video.